Hello, I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to show you how to create the legend for a graph in Excel. So I've created my graph, and you can use any graph, whether you're using the average or the sum or just a list of data. Whatever your data is, create your graph. When you click on the graph, you're going to see the Chart Tools Contextual tab. Choose Design, and you'll see Add a Chart Element, Legend, and wherever you want to put it. Another place you can find this also in 2013 is under the Chart buttons, and you'll see it here as well. More options brings up this great window. It's almost like a wizard that'll take you through all of the changes that you can make to your legend. Or you can click on a title and it automatically goes to the title options. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to do. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.